update on Smurf Juice here at Garage Built. We got all the fuel lines run. Got the fuel log mounted. Nitrous lines all hooked up from nitrous outlet. We'll get into the inside here. Got the wiring panel all hooked up. Looking good. Dash is all in. Gauges are all in. Have the relay hooked up for the nitrous. Fuel pumps all hooked up. The only thing that's left on the list is to put a new trans pan on it and try to get the dipstick to stop leaking. And here's the relay for the fuel pump. This project's been a little bit of a headache, but we finally getting it to where it needs to be. And let's see if it has enough gas in it still to at least start and show that we got it all hooked back up. As you can see, I got the panel all wired up, labeled. We'll give it a fire. As you can see, she's back to running condition. So after we get the transpan gasket and new transpan on there, do a little bit of saving, we'll go over to the track and get some testing done. And we'll see if we pick up any time like my buddy thinks we will, just off of a fuel pump upgrade. And, you know, having good grounds to everything, because this didn't really have the best grounds. Now that I was talking to my buddy earlier about it, it had a ground going from the battery to the block and a ground going from the body to the frame. Well, now it's got a battery ground at the back of the frame, a battery ground down here on the front of the block, and a body ground. So it definitely has a better grounds now, because I sanded all the contact points down, made sure that there was no paint, and one of the other things we got to do, we just got to hook up these few wires right here for the headlights. Tail lights, they're all on the stock switch. So hopefully within a couple weeks or so, we'll be going to the track. Oh, got to get a new window too before we make it to the track. It's got a crack in it. They might let me in, but I'd just rather get it replaced. But I'll have more videos and more build updates as we go along. If you want to keep up with this build and other builds that I got going, check out my Instagram at Garage Built with 2 T's, and I upload there almost daily and we'll have more videos and more updates to come.